Welcome back, aspirants. Today we will solve one question of thermodynamics that has been asked in Indian Forest Service exams. And sorry for yesterday's video, because in yesterday's video there is not clear audio, and because of that problem in microphone. But today that is all clear. And sorry for inconvenience of yesterday's video. So this question is asked in Indian Forest Service exam. Okay, and this is of subject thermodynamics. So what the question is: in the early development of the steam power plants, the approximately 1.12 kg of coal is required per kilowatt hour. Okay, so the mm, fuel, the amount of fuel, mass of fuel that is given to us is 1.12 kg per kilowatt hour. That means the power that is generated, the W, that is 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, assume that the mean temperature at which heat was supplied is 175 degrees Celsius and was rejected at 100 degrees Celsius, and that and at the time, and this was at old time. The presently assume that the heat is supplied at a mean temperature of 380 degrees Celsius and rejected at 32 degrees Celsius. The ratio of actual thermal efficiency to that of Carnot cycle. Which ratio? The ratio of actual thermal efficiency to that of the Carnot cycle is today is about 1.25 times of that earlier years, assuming the same heating value of coal is used, same heating value of coal in both the cases, and calculate the amount of coal now required for per kilowatt hour. That means the power output is same 1 kilowatt hour, but the amount of coal, that means mass of fuel, this is a coal is used as a fuel in power plant. So the mass of fuel that is required in our new case. So first of all, the ratio that is given to us is actual thermal efficiency upon Carnot efficiency. Okay, so we know the Carnot cycle efficiency is given by 1 minus T2 by T1. Okay, and the T2 is the mean absolute mean temperature, that means in Kelvin, not in Celsius, Kelvin, the absolute mean temperature at which heat is rejected. And T1 means the absolute temperature at which the heat is added. Okay, and this is Carnot cycle efficiency. And actual thermal efficiency, that means how much output, that means power we have generated, and what is our input. So in thermal power plant, input is coal is heated and it has some heating value, or we are saying calorific value in some cases. Okay, so the heating value is constant, that is given in question, heating value is same. Okay, and the power output will also same, 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, so what is the mass of fuel or mass of coal that is required for uh, new type of power plant? So the ratio of actual thermal efficiency upon Carnot cycle efficiency for new plant is equal to 1.25 times actual thermal efficiency upon Carnot cycle efficiency of old plant. This is given to us. Okay, so now what we will do is, first of all, find Carnot cycle efficiency for old plant. Okay, it is given by 1 minus T2 by T1, or we can say that 1 minus uh, sorry, and yes, 1 minus T2 by T1, and T2 here is 100 degrees Celsius, that means 373 Kelvin. Okay, heat rejection temperature, and heat supply temperature is 175 degree. Okay, so when I calculate it and convert it Kelvin, it is 448 Kelvin. Okay, and the Carnot cycle efficiency, it is 0.167. This is the efficiency of the old Carnot cycle, and no, not old Carnot cycle, and Carnot cycle efficiency of old power plant. and the Carnot cycle efficiency of new power plant is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1 is equal to 1 minus the heat rejection temperature is 32 degree Celsius, and so in Kelvin it is 305. Okay, and the heat supply temperature is 380 degrees Celsius. So the temperature in Kelvin is 653 Kelvin, and when you calculate it, we can find its efficiency is 0.533. Okay, so just put all these values efficiency in this equation. Okay, so the now we are just writing whole equation. For new power plant, the output is efficiency is output upon input, that means mass of fuel into heating value. Okay, and Carnot cycle efficiency, this is for old new plant, is equal to 1.25 times power output upon input, that means actual thermal efficiency, it is mass of fuel into heating value into Carnot cycle efficiency. This ratio we have given, and in the question it is given as per kilowatt hour, same power requirement and same heating value. Okay, so W will get cancelled out, heating value will also get cancelled out. Now we have 1 upon mass of coal or mass of fuel upon Carnot cycle efficiency for new type of power plant is 0.533. This is new, is equal to 1.25 times what is the mass of coal it is used is 1.12 kg. Okay, so it is 1.12 kg, and efficiency of Carnot cycle is 0.167. This is of old, and now when we just solve this, okay, this is 1.12, not 112, it is 1.12. So when you solve this, you will find mass of coal or mass of fuel for new type of power plant, it is 0.28 kg per kilowatt hour. This is the answer. So this is very simple question. Okay, but the thing that they have confused with the absolute mean temperature and this ratio. Okay, this ratio of thermal efficiency to Carnot. Okay, nothing is very difficult in this question. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel for daily this kind of videos, and thank you for watching this video. Keep studying, stay focused.